I'm very lucky I'm a monk because I can spend 100% of my time on serving others and practicing Dharma. And I'm very lucky. Imagine if I had gotten myself a relationship, I'd be a 40-year-old, 47-year-old middle-aged nobody. Imagine. I am so lucky to be a monk. And no offense to anyone, I don't mean to drop any hints to anyone. I'm not the one in prison. I'm not the one creating a prison. I'm not the one creating more prisons. I'm the one that's on the road to freedom. And that's through the kindness of my gurus and the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. It's not because I'm so wonderful. I'm on the road to freedom. What I'm wearing frees me. The girls leave me alone, and so do the boys. Oh yes, both of them harassed me before. The girls leave me alone, the boys leave me alone. No one's going to ask me if I have kids. Do you have any kids? No one, I don't have to worry about car payments, house payments, per se. This is protection. This is protection. I'm not the one in prison. I'm not the one creating further prison. I'm the one on the way to freedom. And in my future lives, if time is a force, a situation, may I also become monk from a very young age and be free. No regrets. Think of all the things you did for the last 30 years. And what out of those 30 years you did really was good. Look at yourself. You're aging. You're fading. You're older. Think of all the things you did in the last 30 years. Where are you now? That's how we have to think. And that's not criticism. That is the truth. But in the last 30 years, I know what I did. And I would do it again. I joined Gandhin. I met my teachers, received a lot of teachings, did a lot of retreats, gave a lot of teachings. The last 30 years was all Dharma. I'm not the best one, but I did all Dharma. And I would go back and do it again. And the next 30 years is going to be Dharma because I am protected. People who are afraid to become a monk or a nun do not understand the true nature of existence and samsara. The fear doesn't come from there being bad people. It comes from not knowing. Not knowing. So therefore, even you're not a monk or nun, it's okay. You still need to practice the Dharma. And that's why I'm here. And that's what I'm teaching you right now. That's what I'm sharing with you right now.